Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Wednesday, the 3rd of November. All right, yesterday's market, quite a lot of data being released, particularly from the US. We'll start off with the ISM manufacturing PMI number. That came in very close to forecast at 50.2. The JOLT job openings at 10.72 million. That was stronger than expected. And the private sector employment change was positive at 239,000 jobs. Of course, non-farm payrolls will be tomorrow on Friday. The big one was the FOMC statement and the interest rates decision. In the US, they increased the interest rates sharply again, the highest levels in about 14 years, I believe that is, and it increased by 75 basis points. Consequently, strong day for the US dollar. It bossed around most of the majors. The euro dropping around about 150 points against the US, and our own Aussie dollar dropping around about 135 for the session. That was from the US. The only other major data released was from New Zealand. We saw the employment change increase to 1.3%. That was a positive, but the unemployment rate did also increase to 3.3%. That was pretty much all for yesterday. So let's move along and have a look at our chart of the day. Quite difficult to find anything at this particular point in time, but this is the most interesting chart that I managed to find. That is a Euro New Zealand on a daily timescale. And the principle behind this particular chart is often where you see previous resistance, so in other words, this point over here where the market has been resistive and shot down, and then a second time that's shot down, that level, when we translate it across, can then often become support for the future. Okay, so this is what we're kind of trying to see if will happen in this particular chart. So I can see that we're at the correct level right now. All I need is some kind of confirmation that the market has come down, showing me a sign of reversal, and that would be enough for me to attempt this particular trade. At the moment, this is the current candle. I need to wait for the new candle to form and complete. Should it complete as an inside candle, something like that, those two would be a reversal pattern, and then the very next day I will be ready to pull the trigger on this one. So there you have it. The Euro Kiwi is our chart of the day this morning. All right, moving along, what's on the card for this particular session in terms of data and news? Big one for the UK, we have from there the Bank of England releasing the monetary policy report, also their official bank rate votes, this monetary policy summary, and of course the interest rates decision itself. So that all happens at 11 p.m. this evening. At 11:30 they will release their official statement. Governor Bailey will be speaking. And then the only other bit of data happens at 1 o'clock in the morning from the US, and that is the ISM Services PMI number. There you have it, a big session coming up, and that pretty much wraps up for today. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can also follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.